Here's some more of our birds. A pair of sun conures. Yeah, hello. Nobody's set up for breeding right now. They're all having their break. Yeah. And who do we got down here? These are Indian ringnecks. That's the male. He's just getting his ring in. And there's the female. And we have some Fisher's lovebirds. Hi guys! Oh, look at, yeah, y'all hanging out. Hey guys! Some people say that birds won't breed with toys in their cages, but I beg to differ. I find it gives them more mental stimulation and causes them to want to breed even more. These are black cheeks lovebirds. Kind of rare. Not too many people are into breeding them, but I think they're kind of neat. They still haven't proven for me yet, but they've only been set up once, and they were really scared and they were not in a good room. These are white-faced lovebirds. They're a mutation of the peach-faced lovebird. These are the white-faced. Hi guys! Yeah! Pretty birds! Most of these birds I can handle if I need to, but they prefer when I don't. And these are red-rumped parakeets. Oh yes, these guys are not tame. Hello! Hi! That's a cinnamon red rump, or yellow. And he's the male. The female back there is normal green. Okay, yes, you don't want me to bug you. I won't bug you anymore. And we have some cockatiels. Yes, we got some cockatiels. Hi, pretty birds. Hello. Hello. Okay, yeah. Alright, I'll leave you alone now. Yep, so these are the rest of our birds. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Alright, we'll leave you alone, guys. Yeah. They prefer to be left alone. The only time they're really happy to see me come in here is when I bring in their food. They love to have fresh vegetables and rice cooked for them. Some cayenne pepper in it. Especially these guys, they just scarf it down. Don't ya? Don't ya? Oh, say hello. Hello. These guys aren't too scared. They're pretty clownish, actually. Say bye-bye. Bye, guys.